Number 26. A small body, superheated material whose the mass is twice the mass of the Earth. This is considered the mass of Earth is a capital M. And the distance of H, that we consider another body, is twice of this one. It's a 2m. It is a very small compared to the size. The size will be compared, it's a very small of the Earth. The start from the rest. The rest is nothing but x1 is equal to 0. And the height is, the h is less than of r. And above the earth of the surface and reach at the surface at the time, then the t is equal. What we can find out here, the how much of the time is taken to reach up here. This will be, we can find out, the first we can find out the two bodies between the center of mass. What you can find the center of mass. You know the formula for the center of mass, m1 x1 plus m2 x2 by m1 plus m2. Right here the center of mass is equal to m1 is nothing but m, capital M, and x1 is equal to how much? Start with the origin, it's a 0, plus m2 is the mass is m, 2m, and x2 how much of the height is there here, the h, divided by, here the mass is m plus 2m, that is equal to, we can write here the 2mh by 3m. Now the mm gets cancelled, the 2h by 3 is the center of mass. That means the first body to the second body between the center of mass, where is the distance is there here, the 2h by 3. That means the remaining distance is the center of mass to the second body will be there, the h by 3. But we can find that the time taken to the first body to the second body. The time will be found out, the first of all we can find the gravitational force between the two bodies. See here, the force of gravitation, the H is equal to G m1 m2 by r square. But here the r12, that means the first body with respect to second body. Right here the G capital M small m by the total distance is there r plus h whole square. But here the condition is given, the h is less than of r. The h value can be negligible. The remaining we can write the fg is equal to G m1 m2 capital M small m by r square. From Newton's second law, F is equal, what is the formula is there? MA. And relation between the small g and capital G is equal to Gm by r square. G into r square is equal to Gm. Now this value, the Gm value can substitute here and F value substitute here. That is equal to M into A is equal to G into M. G into M is equal to how much? G into r square into remaining what is the small m by r square, and r square m gets cancelled. The A is equal to how much is there? G, acceleration meter per second square. Then acceleration is find out A equal to G. Then find out the time. Time we can find out using S is equal to ut plus half at square. Initial velocity u equal to 0 because of E is at rest. Right here the S is equal to height. The center of mass to your height is there h by 2. S is equal to h by 3. And A is equal to what is there here, the G. Substitute above equation. Then we can add h by 3 is equal to 0 into t plus half g t square. And you can write here the h by 3. H by 3 is equal to 1 by 2 g into t square. Take the cross multiplication. 2h by 3 into g is equal to t square. Then the t is equal to under root of 2h by 3g. This is the time taken to reach the second body. See the question number 29. Mass of the moon is 1 by 18 times of Earth. The mass of the moon, this mass of the moon is equal to 1 by 81 times of mass of Earth. But pull the gravitational force 1 by 6 times of Earth. This gravitation of the moon is equal to 1 by 6 times of the gravitation of the Earth. See what is the radius of above? Radius above. See here, we know the formula for the relation between small g and capital G is equal to Gm by R square. G is directly proportional to mass and inversely proportional to the earth. Right here the gravitation of earth by gravitation of the moon. Gravitation of the moon. Moon means we can write the M here. Gravitation of the moon is equal to, and right here the mass of the earth by mass of the moon into radius of the moon by radius of the earth square. Right here the substitute of the values. The first earth means that is a G is equal to what is considered G. Gm is equal to how much is given by the 1 by 6 of the G is equal to Me is equal to consider the mass of the earth is the same, and mass of the moon will be changes 1 by 81 times of the mass of the earth into radius of the moon by radius of the earth square, and Gm gets cancelled. 6 is equal to 81 Rm square by Re square. Take the cross multiplication, earth by moon. See the radius of the earth square by radius of the moon square is equal to 81 by 6. Now radius of the earth by radius of the moon is equal to, and take the square is taken here, 81 by 6 into Rm. See that is the radius of the earth is the 80 root of the 81 by 6 times of the radius of the moon. This is the answer for this one. Next, see the question number 34. A value of acceleration due to the gravity. The surface of the earth is x. The latitude of height is h from the surface of the earth. Its value is the y. If the r is the radius of the earth, then the value of it. See the first is taken by the earth. The center is O and radius is r, and its mass is capital M. Mass is capital. Now the body is placed at the earth's surface. It is the acceleration due to the gravity at the earth's surface. The G is equal to how much is given by the x, and is lifted at a height of h. How much are the lifted by this height of h. Now we can find out the gravitation at height h. The height of h, the gravitation is given by the y. Then we can find out the value of h. What we can find the value of the h? We know the formula. The acceleration due to the gravity at height h is equal to gh is equal to g by 1 plus h by r whole square. 1 plus h by r whole square. But you get the gh is equal to how much is given by the y, and g is equal to how much is given by the x by 1 plus h by r whole square, and the cross multiplication. See right here the 1 plus h by r whole square is equal to what you can have the x by y, and the square is negligible. You can have the root h by r is equal to under root of x by y, and plus 1 is taken this side, and h by r is equal to under root of x by y minus 1, and r is taken this side, h is equal to under root of x by y minus 1 into r. See, this is the height of h of this body. Next, see the question number 39. Question number 39. If the r is the radius of the earth, the height above the surface of the earth, where the weight of the body is 36% is lost, its weight, the surface of the earth is, the surface of the earth is. Again, it's like the same diagram. This is the center and radius is r, and it is the earth, and its mass is capital M. Here is there the acceleration due to the gravity and lifted at height of h, and here the weight can be lost. Weight loss 36%. The remaining is 64% at GH. Now again the using the relation between GH is equal to G by 1 plus H by R whole square. The GH is equal to given by the 64, means we can write the 64. Initial how much is there here? The 100 we consider by there. The G is equal to how much? You can the 100 by 1 plus h by r whole square. And again let's take the cross multiplication. The 1 plus h by r whole square is equal to 100 by 64. The 1 plus h by r is equal to under root of 100 by 64. The square is negligible, right? This side is the roots. The root of 110 and 64 root is the 8. So 1 by h by r is equal to 10 by 8. The 1 is taken this side. H by r is equal to 10 by 8 minus 1. Take here the LCM. 10 minus 8 by 8. That is equal to 2 by 8. Now cancel is there. H by r. That is equal to h by r is equal to 1 by 4. Take the cross product, that is implied h is equal to r by 4. So next question 43. Find the potential energy of three objects of masses 1 kg, 2 kg and 3 kg placed at the three vertex of an equilateral triangle. The side is given by the 20 cm. This is the first body and this is the second body and it have the third body. M1, M2, M3. M1 is equal is given 1 kg, M2 is equal is given 2 kg, M3 is equal is given by 3 kg. Now center is O and radius is given by the R. Radius how much is there here? The R. Radius is the R and angle is there the 60 degrees. Then find out the potential energy. What we can find the potential energy? Say gravitational potential energy, that is given by U is equal to minus G M1 M2 by R. This is the formula for it. Now get the total, we can add in here the say minus G M1 M2 by R1 plus minus of G M2 M3 by R2 plus minus of G M3 M1 by R3. Now you can write here the minus will be taken the common, minus G will be taken the common. Write the M1 M2 by R also they taken here the R1 is equal to R2 is equal to R3 is equal to R. The similar the same radius by be taken by the R is equal to M1 M2 plus M2 M3 plus M3 M1. Now write here the minus G by R into M1. M1 is equal to how much is 1 kg. 1 into 2 plus 2 into 3 plus 3 into 1. Now total is there the 3 plus 6 9, 9 plus 2. That is how much is that 11. We can write the minus G R radius. Radius how much is given by this? The each of the radius R is equal to 20 centimeter. 20 into 10 power of minus 2 meters. Substitute here the 20 into 10 power of minus 2 into here 11. The minus 2 take the denominator of the numerator. Minus G by 20 into 1100. Now it's cancelled. That is the 55. That is equal to minus 55 G into joule. Number 45. A body of the mass M is kept on the earth's surface. This is a body of the mass M is kept on the earth's surface. The height is equal to twice the radius of the earth. The height is twice the radius of the earth to R. The change in potential energy will be. Change in potential energy, the initial potential energy when the body is in earth's surface. There is a minus G M1 M2 by R. And when the liquid of the twice of the radius, there is a final potential energy minus G M1 M2 into R plus H. And earth mass is the capital M and body of the mass is small. Find the change in potential energy, that is equal to final potential energy minus initial potential energy. Final potential energy, what is that? Minus G M1 M2 by R plus H minus G M1 M2 by R. Now can substitute the minus G. M1 is equal to capital M, M2 is equal to small m, R plus H is equal to how much is there here? 2R. Minus to minus plus G capital M small m by R. See here the R plus 2R, that is equal to 3R. Take the LCM. Minus G capital M small m plus 3G capital M small m by 3R. And minus G capital M small m plus 3g capital small m, that is equal to taken by the 2 capital G capital M small m by Gr is equal to the change in potential energy. We know that the small g is equal to Gm by R square. G into R square is equal to how much is there here? The capital G. Now just substitute here. See, G into M. G into M is equal to how much is there? G into R square. Substitute here the potential energy. Potential energy is equal to 2 into, right here the Gm is equal to G into R square by 3 into R into small m. See here the R gets cancelled. Then we can have the 2 by 3 M into G into R. This is the change in potential energy. Next, see the question number 47. Infinity number of bodies, each mass is 3 kgs. Each mass, that is what M1 is equal to, M2 is equal to 2 kgs. Is situated on x-axis at a distance of 1 meter, 2 meters, 4 meters, 8 meters respectively from the origin. The resultant potential energy. See, again we take this as the x-axis. It is the origin. Now it is placed at the 1 meter, 2 meters, 4 meters, 8 meters. 1 meter, 2 meters, 4 meters, 8 meters. Then find out the potential energy. Resultant potential energy. We know the formula for the resultant potential energy. Resultant potential energy is equal to, what is the formula? Minus G M1 M2 by R1 plus minus G M1 M2 by R2 plus and so on. Now take here the common, minus G M1 M2 is take the common, 1 by R1 plus 1 by R2 plus 1 by R3 plus and so on. Right here the 1 by R1. So distance how much is here? 1. R2 is equal to 2. R3 is equal to 4. You can substitute here the minus G M1 M2 into 1 by 1 plus 1 by 2 1 by 4 plus and so on. Again we take in GP, geometric of progressive, but R is equal to 1 by 1 minus A. Right here 1 by 1 minus A is equal to how much? 1 by 2. That is equal to 1 by 1 by 2 is equal to 2. Substitute here the potential energy, the resultant potential energy, minus G into M1 is equal to, M2 is equal to, and by divided by the R. The divided by the R. R is equal to how much is there? Again the 2. Now you can write here the 2 whole square is cancelled. That is equal to minus 2G. Minus 2G.